Square root tricks. First one, square root of 39. We have to write it as square root of 36 plus 3. Square root of 36 is 6 plus 3 as it is. Write here 6 double 12. Therefore 3 divides 12. 3 divides 12. Point after 0. 12 2 is 24. 6 remains 60. 12 5 is 60 0. 6 plus 0.25. This equal to 6.25 is answer. Second one. Write it as square root of 25 plus 2. Square root of 25 is 5 plus 2 as it is. 5 double 10. 5 plus 1 0 cancel, point here 0.2. This equal to 5.2 is answer.